With DR Reality's plugins, it's easy to mix and monitor in Dolby's new Atmos format. Spatialize your sound sources with dearVR Pro, optionally control your mix with dearVR Spatial Connect, and listen to the multi-channel result with dearVR Monitor easily on headphones. Let's have a look at how to set up Nuendo to achieve an immersive 3D mix in Dolby Atmos. First, we need to load Dolby's Renderer plugin on our main output bus. We've already created a 7.1.4 bus for this. We select 7.1.4 as the output format to see the full potential of dearVR Monitor, but each of these work. The Dolby RMU supports up to 128 channels. Up to 10 can be used for a bed in 7.1.2 format. The remaining ones are used for audio objects. We start with the bed. For this, we create a new 7.1.2 group via the Audio Connections menu. This is the maximum amount of tracks that can be used for the Dolby bed. Make sure to route it to the main output bus. Next, we need to assign our new group to the Dolby bed in the ADM authoring. Choose the Dolby renderer, click on Add Bed, and select your group as a source track. Now, if we route some tracks to the bed group, they get rendered by the Dolby plugin to the corresponding channels. Remember that we've selected 7.1.4 as the output format of the renderer. This means that we can't just listen to our mix on our headphones. Here, dearVR Monitor comes in. It can be used on the control room or the main output bus. Let's place it on the main output and set it up for 7.1.4. dearVR Monitor creates a perfect virtual mix room for you and lets you produce in any format, anytime, and anywhere with headphones. Hit play and listen to your mix in 7.1.4 in a reference-grade mix room. You can use the head rotation control to quickly check different listening perspectives. Position your sounds anywhere in the 7.1.2 sphere with dearVR Pro. Right-click on the panning field and choose Pro as a panner for perfect multi-channel positioning, connected to the high-quality immersive reverb simulation. Select 7.1.2 as your output format and move your source around. But dearVR Pro is more than a panning tool. It also has an outstanding reverb and reflection section. Let's try the reverb on the vocals. For the vocals, we add some audio objects. Head over to the ADM authoring again, create some audio objects, and assign the source tracks. These 5 objects get rendered to channels 11 through 19 in the Dolby Renderer plugin. Now let's head over to the vocals reverb send. Route it to the Dolby bed and you can use dearVR Pro as a reverb plugin on it. Turn down the direct signal, select your output format again and choose between a wide variety of different virtual acoustic spaces. Optionally, you can use dearVR Spatial Connect on a VR-ready Windows PC to control all your sources in one place, either with your mouse or in 3D with a VR headset. Head tracking allows you to look around in your mix. You can control every instance of dearVR Pro as well as the audio objects, which use the Nuendo Multi-Panner VST. Finally, we can use the check scenes of dearVR Monitor to check how the mix translates to common listening scenarios. For example, Let's listen to the mix in a cinema or in a home theatre, or even in the car. dearReality's plugins enhance your mixing process in every step of a Dolby Atmos production. Experience a true perception of direction, distance, reflections, and reverb with dearVR Pro. Get perfect control over your mix in a fully accessible 360-degree space with dearVR's Spatial Connect. And dive into multi-channel productions on your headphones with dearVR Monitor. Learn more at dearReality.com.